microphone. Tamara, thank you. Residents of Jaywick in Essex have now returned to their homes after high tide passed without causing major flooding. People in Suffolk were also advised to evacuate last night, but most areas have now been given the all clear. Thousands of people along Britain's east coast have been warned to leave their homes. However, there are still some flood warnings in place, including 39 flood alerts, which means flooding is possible and people should be prepared. 15 warnings are in force, which means flooding is expected and immediate action is required. But the severe warnings, which indicate a possible danger to life, have all now been withdrawn. Police have arrested the older brother of a man who died in a house fire in Mulgai on New Year's Day. 23-year-old Cameron Logan died in the fire in his family home. His girlfriend Rebecca Williams remains in hospital with serious injuries. Blair Logan has been arrested in connection with his brother's death and the alleged attempted murder of his parents and employees.
There's two, but one black thing is the bird. There was no way. Where is it going? Oh. What is he catching? Robin. Oh, seagull. Seagull. No, no. Oh, oh, seagull. You can go and see it. Oh, this better.
The actress who died in December had finished shooting scenes
I think that.
which is due out at the end of this year. But Lucasfilm
Now you can't see it. Oh well. Oh, seagulls over there. Like, where are they? I'm coming. There. Oh, where's it gone? Maybe up there. Oh. It must have been.
First spacewalk, but the second in a week for American Shane Kimbrough. They spent just over 3 hours outside the space station.
How did you see that?
And they were replacing aging
The top? No. You can't see.
Donald Trump has said that he would
It's been 2 minutes. Look at this camera, right? Look at me. See it, but capture roll. Whoa, no, those are tiny. You can't even see them. Well, there is some. Three. You can't see them. Oh, luckily I know I'm seeing. Look at those robins.
Was as guilty as hell. The country is at a crossroads.
No,
a military town in Virginia.
There's a seagulls up here. See, there's one there.
Should be available to be questioned on your operation.
My pole. Oh, no.
Zoomed
in. I'm going to put it so it's not too soon. Well, so that looks much better. Because if you normally put more colours, it normally goes blur. Did you see those birds are moving?
The alteration shop is uniforms ahead of the inauguration. Trump's team says he wants
I doubt this is going to go to an hour, but
to launch a few political hand grenades. First, rounding on his intelligence community.
That's something that
we're basically looking there because it's not much going anywhere.
Then the press.
What could I really go
and the ethics committee.
These papers are all just a piece of the many, many companies that are being put into trust to be run by my two sons.
Goodbye. Oh, how long was I under there? 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Wow. I think that is stop. Oh, the one with the banana.
For example, but I think he will. Okay, of course, that depends on how old.
Now we can stop it. Goodbye.